Hi, I'm Dr. Hendrickson from Hillchester Hospital for Animals. Today we're doing a physical exam on our house kitty, just to give you an idea of what we do when we do an exam. My assistant's name is Kurt, and he's going to help restrain Mercedes here. She's called Mercedes because she purrs so nicely. And she's purring quite nicely right now. Mercedes has been with us for quite a few years. She came to us as a stray and she was pregnant. And she nursed all her kittens, and she nursed all the kittens that we had all that summer. And she was injured, and she had a bad crushed foot, which we ended up having to amputate her leg. So she wasn't up for adoption, so we kept her because she's such a nice kitty. Now, to start a physical exam, we start at one end and work our way towards the others. First thing we do is kind of check the eyes for any abnormalities. They have a third eyelid that we observe by pushing the eyeball a little bit back in the head. Her skin looks good. She doesn't appear to have any parasites. We check the teeth, opening the mouth, look for tumors in the mouth. Make sure that her teeth are clean and no holes or broken teeth. Check the ears. We use an otoscope. Mercedes' ears are just fine. Pet comes in, we want to know if they have fleas. We'll look for flea dirt and a flea comb. And Mercedes doesn't have any fleas, and that's because she's on frontline. Being in an animal hospital, it's easy for her to pick up fleas when pets come in or strays come in that have had fleas, so we have to keep protecting her against that. Next thing we look for are the lymph nodes, various areas of the body, and up under the chin we check her thyroid gland, make sure she doesn't have an enlarged thyroid gland. Moving on back, look for lumps. On our way down we'll check her heart and lungs. Mercedes has stopped purring now, so I was able to hear her heart and lungs real well. Next we'll check out the abdomen, see if she has any kind of a abnormal growth anywhere. And in Mercedes' cases, everything's fine. And then finally we kind of look at the tail, look at the rear end, look for anything that's abnormal there, and she's just fine. So, once again, Mercedes, you've passed your annual physical exam, and I thank you all for watching.